Good afternoon. Today we will do question number 4 of exercise 11.3. Question says give expression for the following cases. Means here we have some total A to H questions. Expression we have to write expression for this given case. First one, A is 7 added to P means P plus 7. We have to add 7 to P like this. 7 subtracted from P. 7 we have to subtract from P. So P minus 7. Third one is P multiplied by 7. So 7 multiplied P means 7P. D is P divided by 7. Here P divided by 7 means P by 7. E 7 subtracted from minus 5. That means minus 5. From this we have to subtract 7. F minus P multiplied by 5 means minus P multiplied by 5 means minus 5P. Then G minus P divided by 5. This means minus P by 5 like this. Or you can write like this minus P by 5. Then last one is P multiplied by minus 5. P multiplied by minus 5 means minus 5 into P. Same. So like this you will do this question 4 or any other question if it is coming to write the expression for the given case like this. Next question. Question number 5 says give expression in the following case. Same as the question number 4. Here also you have to give expression. This time here the question is little bit in sync. If you are seeing the question, it is lengthy than the last questions, but it is easy as in question number 4. So first one is 11 added to 2m means 11 is added in 2m means 2m plus 11. Second, B is 11 subtracted from 2m, that means 2m minus 11. C is 5 times y to which 3 is added. 5 times y means 5y in which 3 is added means plus 3. 5 times y from which 3 is subtracted means 5y minus 3. Then E, y is multiplied by minus 8 means minus 8y. Y is multiplied by minus 8 and then 5 is added to the result means in question number F it is minus 8y and plus 5 means first we have to multiply, in that you have to add 5. Then G, y is multiplied by 5 means 5y. Y is multiplied by 5 and the result is subtracted from 16. But the result 5y, but it is coming, that means 16 minus 5y. From here to here it means 5y. After this the result is subtracted from 16 means what is coming after multiplication you have to subtract from 16. H, y is multiplied by minus 5 and the result is added to 16 means from here to here it means minus 5y and this what is coming we have to add in 16 means minus 5y plus 16, or you can say 16 plus minus 5y like this. Both you can say. So next question. Question number 6, we have two sub questions. So first sub question A, form expression using T and 4 means by using T and 4 we have to make expression. Use not more than one number operation. That means you have to use only one operation at one time and each expression must have T in it. So condition is there, we have to use both 4 and T. Only one operation you have to take one time and T must be there. So first one 4 plus T, addition we have taken, T minus 4, subtraction we have taken, 4T we can take, multiplication we have taken, and T by 4 or 4 by T we can take. So this expression can be made, or we can take here also one more 4 minus t, 4 minus t, 4 plus t, t plus 4 is same, t minus 4 and 4 minus t is different, 4t or t into 4 is same, t by 4 or 4 by t is different. So total this much expression we can make using one operation at a time and in which t is there. Number second, form expression using y, 2 and 7. Means we have these three numbers now. Every expression must have y in it. Y must be there. Use only two number operation. Only two number operation you can use at a time. This should be different, and that should be different means 2 addition you cannot take at a time, 2 subtraction also you cannot take at a time, 2 multiplication you cannot take at a time. So first one we will write y plus 2 minus 7. Two different we have taken. Y minus 2 plus 7 we can take. Y minus 2 into 7 we can take. Y minus 2 by 7 we can take. So second we can take like this, 2y minus 7, 2y plus 7, or 2y by 7, 7y by 2. So like this you can make many expressions. It's upon you, we can do it. So in this video we have done question number 4, 5 and 6. Sit at home, practice it nicely, because this expression will help you in doing question in further exercise. Thanks for watching my video.